Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel, where makeup is the passion and beauty is contagious. Now I'm going to be revealing to you my Fun Fit Fab box that I got for $5.99. Can you believe it? $5.99. Now what comes in the box is Yummy Kim hanging train case, which goes for $58. This is it. Let's open it. I've been wanting something like this for the longest, but I was hoping Juicy Couture would come out with one, since I'm sitting a big fan of Juicy Couture. So let me turn it upside down and show it to you the right way. So this is for when you're traveling, and you can put your cosmetic there to hang over the door as you use it in the bathroom or on the vanity in the hotel room. So that's what it looks like. With the word Yummy. What did it say? Yummy Kim. Yummy, like you're saying Yummy to Kim Kardashian. That's what this is putting me in the mind of. Alright. So next we have the Sponge Black Orchid Body Wash Infused Buffer. Something similar to this came into one of the BoxyCharm boxes. It was earlier this year. One of those months, I can't remember which one, but this is similar to it, and this goes for $16. Now remember, I got all this for $5.99 just to try the box out, and it was a Thanksgiving deal, well, Black Friday deal. It smells okay. It's not fantastic like the one that came in BoxyCharm. Alright. So next we have the Grown Alchemist, which is a repair day cream. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Alright. And this Hydra Repair Day Cream. When can I use it at night? Let's see. Nourishing on greasy fixtures, chamomile, rosehip oil to visibly improve skin hydration levels and leave skins. I'm gonna use this at night, because I can't wear no cream on my face for that long. So I can wear it at night and then take it off with alcohol. If I let it sit, I start breaking out real bad. So I'm gonna use that at night and then take it off with some alcohol after it's done set for 30 minutes. I always let them set for like 30 to 40 minutes and sometimes an hour. Then I remove it so that it doesn't break me out. Because if I don't, I get broken out real bad. Alright, and that there Grown Alchemist goes for $49. And this here is the Moroccan Gold series leave-in mask. I'm going to assume that's for your hair. Let's see here. Can I see that writing? Yeah, for hair, all hair types. So that's what it looks like. And this here goes for $39. Once again, got all four for $5.99. That was just for the shipping. And I will say, even for the shipping, you still paid $5.99, even if they disguised it as shipping. This was a very, very, very good deal. I'm so glad I came across it on the internet. It was on my, what is it called? My makeup bag addiction? Or is it, oh, my subscription addictions.com. So I'm pretty sure she got a referral fee for this. But I'm so glad I came across it. Like, I'm so glad. Anyways, thank you for watching. Now it depends on what time you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.